Hi boys and girls, so today for your skills worksheet, all you're doing is writing yes or no on the line. So let's read the question. Ready? Number 1 says, can a dog shake its tail? You can either type in yes or no, or you can write in yes or no. Number 2, can a raisin sing? Yes or no. Do airplanes eat hay? Yes or no. And remember, the words are spelled right here, yes or no, so spell them correctly when you fill them in, please. Whoops. Number 4 says, can you braid your hair? Yes or no. So this is going to be depending on if you're a boy or a girl and how long your hair is. Number 5, does 3 make a pear? Yes or no. Are acorns from trees? Yes or no. Number 7, do cakes sleep in parks? Yes or no. Number 8, can you race a horse? Yes or no. And number 9, do you have fingernails? Yes or no. Have a good day.